Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have a large Joann's haul. So I bought this storage box for my craft room. I told you in one of my other videos that I am redoing my craft room again. I got this to use for storage in here. And then we just have some things inside here. Hey, I've been stocking up on the gingham materials because I like Laura from Laura's Plans and Crafts said. I think they're just getting rid of all of it. So I went ahead and picked up some more ephemera. Picked up some of these Jolie's Boutique stickers. Getting ready for summer crafting. These are great for gifts in your swaps or Happy Mail. Look how cute that is. Maybe not so much the shirt, but everything else is adorable. So these are the gingham enamel dots. I thought I picked up 2 of those. And these are the Woodland Grove puffy stickers. Maggie Holmes. And then they had these what were they? Buy 2, get 3 free. So I got these. Let's see, what is this? This little notebook. 20 pages. So these would be cute to like alter. These are little cards and envelopes. So cute. Cards and envelopes here. And then I bought these cards. Sparkling, pattern, bright. I thought these are just perfect for like a fruit swap. Isn't that pretty? Cute little hearts. That's got like a pink glitter stripe. Yellow polka dots. And these stripes. These are perfect for summer. And I picked up, this looked more peachy colored online. So I picked up 2 of these. I like to make them policy envelopes that Laura showed us how to make out of this type of paper here. And then these are the gingham foil on vellum. It's just 1 sheet of the vellum with the foil on it. So I picked up 3 of those. I think they were on sale. All of this was on sale for some 40% off, I want to say. Then you could take an extra 20% off in store. So this is gingham, double-sided, 12 by 12 sheets. I picked up 3 of those. Same thing, gingham, double-sided, 12 by 12 sheets. I picked up 3 of those. And then this is just that American Crafts paper. I think all this paper was very cheap on sale. So I picked up 4 of those. It's very thin paper. And then this is gingham. 1, 2. It looks like I got 2 of these. Double-sided. Same thing. The gingham. Double-sided. So pretty. And then I picked up Gingham Garden. What is this called? Project pad? Yeah. It's just got your plain cardstock there, which is great to match. Isn't that pretty with the foiling? And then you have some stickers. So pretty. I love this project pad. So I got 2 of those. They were very cheap. I'm like $7 a piece maybe. Could have been even cheaper than that. I think by the time that I added the sale stuff, they might have been $6 a piece. So I placed that order online, I do believe. All right, so I got some open gingham washi tape. So I did pick up some more of the enamel dots for the gingham gardens. And some more of the ephemera. 4 packs total of the ephemera. Then I picked up, I took this off of here because I was checking it out. I bought a couple of these to store my distressed inks in because they were constantly tipping over. I wanted to get these in something. This isn't all of them. This is just what I had sitting on my desk. That's perfect. Love it. I think I picked up 2 of these, maybe 3, I'm not sure. These are all the Violet Studios. Like I said, they were having the buy 2, get 3 free. So there's another few of these notepads. These are great for Happy Mail swaps for this summer. And then I picked up these 2 of the paper. So cute. And then I got some of the gems. And some more of these brads. And then this is stickers. These would be great with those cards. And some more of those brads. So really stocked up on those. And then I found some, so I did get, there's 2 more of those containers. I think these were $9.99 a piece, but then they were so much off. I can't remember how much. And these have all come off of here, but these are chipboard stickers. You Can't Stop Awesome. Just some flowers and different things in there. They were 97 cents, but then you took another 20% off of the red tags. I think this is the same one. Yeah, it's the same one. Then I found some of these girls. I think just one package, 97 cents. And then these little die cut shapes. There's some watermelons, pineapples. And then I got this. It was $4.47 with 25% off. Hampton Art Stamp Scrubber. Okay, so I guess you just scrub your stamps on here. So you use your regular stamp cleaner, your liquid stamp cleaner, and then, which I think I use Stays On stamp cleaner, and then you rub it across here and then dry it. Okay, and then you can also wash this after this is dirty. So this is kind of like not hard, but some, hardness to it. All right, hopefully that will clean my stamps better because they are not been clean just with the liquid cleaner at all. I have been picking up this collection. Paige Evans, Blooming something is the name of this one, I do believe. So I got these cardboard stickers. I picked up this DCWV. All these were 40% off, and this is just some glitter cardstock. And then I picked up this gold foil mat. So fun for that one. All right, so I found these inks: Crackling Campfire, Speckled Egg, Rustic Wilderness, and Kitsch Flamingo. They were $6.97. You take another 20% off, or 25%, I think. Almost $1.50 more off of these. And then here is the Blooming Wild Paige Evans puffy stickers. Blooming Wild Paige Evans ephemera embellishments. Picked up these Halloween Jolie's Boutique stickers. They are so cute. I know we've all seen those. Little paper bag full of candies. Picked up some more of these. I made these little embellishments for Valentine's Day. So with these, I wanted to make some more. So cute. These liquid pearls. Ranger liquid pearls. So pretty. Marigold, sage, and taffy. This will go good with the gingham gardens. I got these rainbow little bead kits. I do believe these were buy one, get two free. Another of those Jolie's Boutique stickers. A stamp, Summer Fun. Picked up, whoop, I just dropped one on the floor, but I picked up 3 of those. This was on clearance too. These little Park Lane tags. Aren't those cute? So cute. Then I got this card kit. Says that they are blank inside. All these cute little tags. Some washi tape. Stickers. These for your envelopes. All these cute little pieces of ephemera. Little cupcakes, some fruit, little hats, balloons, candles, presents. So cute. Everything you need to make a little card. Some more envelopes. And then you have these cards. More envelopes. These cute little cards. Cute are those? Oh, look at those. And then envelopes. So cute little package. Not bad for the price. This Paige Evans Blooming Wild 6x8. I don't know, I just fell in love with this collection. It's so pretty. And then this was $1.47. Of course, you take your 25% off that. And I really wanted it for this balloon dog, but it's got some cute other little things in here. But just a pack of ephemera, assorted card toppers. Then I got some beads. Look how pretty those are. These are great for the summertime. And then these glass butterflies, ceramic butterflies. I think I only found one pack of these. Good times ahead. It's cute. Oh, no, I found 2 packs. They were $1.47 and then 25% off of that. And then the last things I got were this Heidi swap vellum, which is crinkled. It was 97 cents. Oh, I hate that that happened. And these were all 50 cents. And then you take off 25% of these. So a bunch of fruit paper. This is Paige Evans. Does it say? Splendid. Paige Evans Splendid. So I got a bunch of those. Then this is Maggie Holmes Road Trip. These were 50 cents a piece, and then you take off, what, 10, 12 more cents. Road Trip. And then I picked up this. I think these were 50, I want to say they were 50% off this day. All the paper stocks were. Oh, so pretty. So you got 2 of those. Oh, then it's double-sided. Cupcakes. This is very pretty. Oh. Like that. So cute. This is a fun paper pack. Oh, perfect for birthdays. Oh, cute. Oh, look how pretty that is. The gold foiling cuts in over here. I've noticed that on the back of all the pages. Oh, it's very pretty. I love this paper pad. So I know most of you seen my community post. Joann's is not going out of business. They are going to become a private company. I hope that means there are some better changes, not for the worst, because shipping's terrible, the app is terrible, the ordering, the management, stocking is terrible, but it is my favorite craft store, so I hope they get it all together. I really do. I appreciate y'all coming to watch this haul. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun or relaxing, whatever you choose to do. Thank you all. Bye-bye.